Hey, it's Ailish from BetterFarm. I'm here today with Tony to discuss our brand new product. Tony, can you introduce us to Parrot B-Calm?
Sure, Ailish. Parrot B-Calm is the result of probably 30 years of being in the veterinary industry, and in particular the parrot industry, where we see lots of birds who are unhappy. They're just unhappy birds. So what we did was formulate a brand new product, complete nutrition, but with the addition of ingredients that help to calm the bird. We all see and we know those birds who are agitated in the cage, who won't settle, who have a lot of behavioural issues. And what we've done is to take that as a problem and try and find a solution. And that's what we've got with BCalm.
Wonderful.